Hi guys! Good morning! Today I'm going to show you build a boat glitch and be fat Roblox avatar. So you need Steampunk, Roblox Rothro, and Kid Nenzo, and then search Realistic Face UGC, and then you can find Clothes Not Classic. The realistic face you can pick whatever, and then you can be fat. Hear what it looked like. This is the best avatar. That avatar was a joke. Let's go to build a boat. Okay, don't worry, I use this avatar. You say what it looked like. Only a chair.
Nice.
I'm joking. I feel I'm a nerd. Build this like me. Very cool indeed. Enjoy the glitch, kinda hard to control. Well, they're expensive. So sorry to pour and build a boat. Bye!